Finally, we have launched the new indicator that is called Big Players Target Blueprints. Yes, guys, this is completely true because you know that there is a lot of involvement from the banks and institutions and the big players, and they they basically catch the retail traders out of their trading so that they can make easy profits from the trading market. That is why we developed this indicator. The name of the indicator is Big Players Target Blueprints. So it will automatically plot the levels on your screen that from where the institutions are going to go for the trading matters. Okay, because the levels that it will show you on the screen, they will be very and very critical, because from those levels you will see pressure from the market, and these levels are valid than any other factors in the market like order blocks and all the support and resistance indicators, because they are not going to work, but this indicator will definitely work. Okay, so first of all, as you can see here, I have also updated in my Telegram channel that I was into sell on gold exactly from the 2616 area, and then you can see it hit the level that was plotted in the middle, and then it retraced slightly back, and then it has given another breakout here, and then I entered again short from that area, and now you can see the market tested the level on that time, that was 2587, and that was the profitable trade. The second thing, if you go into the settings, then if you go to the indicator, you can even increase the reliability of these levels. For example, if I use the depth one factor, now you will see that there will be more wide levels that will be on the screen. Now you can see. Okay, so I was using almost this level while my trading, and you can see it was rejected from here, and now I'm going to show you each and everything about this indicator. Okay, now for example, just look at this one, Great Britain Pound USD. Exactly, it basically, first of all, it touched the top level, it was rejected, and then it has a little bit retracement here, and the same thing like happened in on gold, that it was down, and then it comes to the new level. Okay, now guys, the question is when the market will reach the top level. Okay, and when the market will reach at the low level, and you have already taken the trade from any of the side. For example, if you have taken a sell position from here, if you exit here or you exit here, it depends on the market, because sometimes the market can even retrace back from here up again. Okay, but this time the market breaks below, so it was very common that the market is targeting the lower level. Now if you have taken a sell position from here, and let's say you have taken a full trade up to here, now this is the end of the day for you. Okay, because tomorrow it will update the new, because when the price action will make the new positions, then it will understand those levels, and then it will adjust these levels. So this is the key point of the indicator. Okay, for example, euro USD today, what it has happened, it basically gets a drop and it comes down. Now there is no need to take a buy position, because it can readjust. Okay, so only trade one sided with this indicator. Okay, right now overall, but still if you want to trade, then you need to trade with a proper stop loss. Okay, so when we talk about USD CHF today, then you can see it simply went from that area and then it went up. Okay, let's go to euro AUD, and if we talk about the euro AUD, you can see mostly it kept in the middle. First of all, it has given you a scalping chance, then like you can see what is happening here, the market is ranging here, so always wait for a breakout in that case. So now you can see the market breaks here, and then you can see a simply upward direction. This is because the consolidation will be on a point where the market makers are very interested. Okay, now we have converted this thing into the indicator form. Now you can see USD CAD, that was the great buying chance, and you can see the market hit that level. Now this should be your end of the day for that indicator. Euro CAD, now you can see it basically drops, it starts to drop exactly from here, because I personally took that trade, and then it comes here, and I basically, I think so, close somewhere here or here. Okay, now you can see it has reached to the dead point. Now I will not advise anyone to take a buy position, because this is the late time here as well, and now you should be trading for the next levels tomorrow. Okay, because it will adjust it will find the new levels for you. Okay, so you can see here we have a consolidation, like whole consolidation, and then you can see a breakout above, and then you can see once the price breakout here. Okay, if I zoom in my chart, then you can see the price breaks above. Now it's going up. So guys, this is the very special indicator, and these type of indicators are not developed every day, because this is the very sweet form of trading, and this is very very easy. Yes, this indicator you can contact on Telegram. You can go to my website fxmentorus.com. You can use the contact us option, and you can contact on Telegram, and you can contact through email, because this is the blueprint that I have done a job on this. Okay, now you can see AUD CAD exactly dropped from here and went below. So overall, the market remained bearish on almost all assets. You can see. Okay, I'm showing you step by step. Okay, step by step. Let's have a look on Bank Nifty, and even you can see the Bank Nifty was a drop. Okay, slight retracement here, then drop. Okay, so if you are into a buy trade from that level, then you should cut your trade, because if the market wants to go down, then you cannot do anything like this. Okay, now you can see Nifty. Okay, US 30. Okay, US 30, what's going on? You can see it basically get a boost from that level, then it almost went near to that level, and now coming back again. So you can do level to level trading, like US 100. Now you can see it has reached to the mature price here. Okay, so this is the mature price now. Okay, if for example, if you want to take a trade, then your target can be like this. Okay, it's not 100%, but you can target the next level, because this is what this indicator involves. Let's have a look on Bitcoin. You can see exactly from the level, you can see it dropped, and now it's targeting this green level in the middle. Okay, so guys, this is all about this indicator, and this is very very and very special. Okay, now for example, there are two ways here. Okay, you can see three lines here. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now you can see this is the dodgy 5-minute chart. Okay, now if the market will not be going to up here, then the second option will be there to cut your buy position if you are into a buy. Okay, you can use the further indicators to check the confirmations, and if you it is going to break below, then definitely it is going to target the level that is at 0.32 thousand. Okay, so this is how this indicator works. And the second thing, if you go to the settings, for example, if you want to increase the more depth, you want to target the more higher levels. For example, if I go to depth 2, let's see. Now you can see it has given you more levels that are available on the wider platform. So this is the beauty that we have developed. Okay, so right now you can check your trading always in the start to use it on depth 0. You can use it on depth 1, whatever feels suitable for you according to your trading levels. You can simply use that one, and you can see this is no repainting here, because the repainting can happen once the market has fixed the levels, and then you are going to trade it. Otherwise, there is no repainting in the indicator, because if there is a repainting, then this level should not be there. Okay, it must be moving up and down, but you can see it's not. So basically it will calculate the price action, and now this indicator is for all assets that are available on TradingView, and this is the masterpiece that we have developed. So guys, if you want to book the lifetime version of the big players blueprint indicator, then you can contact on Telegram, you can contact on our website. And right now it's not listed on website because we have just launched. So in a couple of days it will be on the website, and you can also email us. And thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.